Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the microphone on the OmeTV app if your microphone isn't working or other people can't hear you. First, open the settings on your Android phone. Now, tap on the search bar at the top and type OmeTV. From the search results, find and open OmeTV. Next, tap on Permissions. Here, look for the microphone permission and tap on it. If the microphone permission is not allowed, select Allow. This will give OmeTV access to your phone's microphone. Now, open the OmeTV app again and start a chat to check whether your microphone is working properly. If the microphone is already allowed but you're still having the same problem, don't worry. There's another thing you can try. Go back to Settings and tap the search bar again. This time, type Apps and open the app settings. Now search for OmeTV from the list of installed apps and tap on it. Here you'll find the Clear Cache option. Tap on it to clear OmeTV's temporary cache data. Don't worry, clearing the cache normally doesn't delete your account. After clearing it, open OmeTV again and check whether the microphone is working. If the problem continues, also make sure your phone's microphone isn't being used by another app and that your device's microphone is working normally. That's it. These are some simple steps you can try if the microphone isn't working on OmeTV. Disclaimer: this video is made for educational purposes based on online data, not personal experience. Settings and options may vary depending on your Android device, Android version, and OmeTV app version. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.